Good luck both teams. Calling our first five. Para sa kapalan ng Tierra. Wearing jersey number 3, Kali. Wearing jersey number 10, Castillo. Wearing jersey number 15, Banag. Wearing jersey number 29, Gaza. And wearing jersey number 41, Cesar. Para naman sa upunan ng Compares. Wearing jersey number 19, Jordana Solid. Wearing jersey number 10, Rotate Solid. Wearing jersey number 13, Robert Duarte. Wearing jersey number 29, Jeff Tattoo. And wearing jersey number 24, our very own Captain, Barangay Captain Randy Solid. We got both teams. Tables ready, officials ready. Are you ready, Barangay Milagrosa? Para sa ating Super Senior Division. Makukuha ng jersey number 50, jersey number 30, uupa. Take up. And there is a whistle. Foul is committed by jersey number 29, jersey number 29, 19, jersey number 19. First personal foul, first foul. Dalawang libre pa mabusla. Jersey number 10, napapadya. Alam na hindi papasok. Pangalawang tira. Yes sir, para kay Castillo. 50% from the free throw line. Unang puntos ng laro ito natin sa atin ni Castillo. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 19 niya. Jersey number 20 niya sa ring of territory. It's a shot. Jersey number 19 wala pa rin. Popping guard. Yes sir! Jersey number 13. Jersey number 10 niya. Castillo to jersey number 41. Critical jumper. Yes sir!
Parang nilalagay. Dos na dos.
Sulit niya. Jersey number 24 to jersey number 29. Pinupla sa ring of territory. It's a loose ball at babalik ang bola sa kutunan ng Tierra with 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Jersey number 15 uses the ball. Isa mo na yan para ang jersey number 15. Bandaan.
Parang isisinilin ako mamaya.
Jersey number 24,
Makikinabot sa video na to,
looking for his teammate. Finds jersey number 10, fake pass. Gagawin pa sa naman. Jersey number 13. Duarte. Banaga. Looking for his teammate. Showing them some dribbling skills. Ang salaksak, using the board. Board na katiyamaan. Passing the opportunity. Sunod na yan. This is Sander. Another steal to jersey number 29. Yes sir! Jersey number 10. There's a reason. Our ball is given by jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. First personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 10 now. It's a long two. Pero hindi yan mapasok. Jersey number 19
ng maaga.
ang bola. To jersey number 13. Too strong. Tapigan sa bola, makukuha ng Piera. Piera na. Jersey number 15. Dinubra. Tapigan sa bola, makukuha nila. Yes, sir! Banaan. Jersey number 3 niya. 19. Looking for his teammate. Ganda pasa naman. Jersey number 20 niya. Dinubra. Isa pa. Wala pa din. Jersey number 10, Dinubra. Jersey number 30 po niya. Sulit. Makikita sa kampe. Jersey number 10.
Oy, grabe.
Jersey number 15, gandang pasa, gandang tira. Jersey number 10, assisted by jersey number 15. Official score natin, 9-6.
Rex, ano yun?
Jersey number 24, Sulit. Jersey number 29, Papu Sulit. Big shot, try to the basket, gandang pasa. And jersey number 7, our foul is committed by jersey number 41. Contact to the hand, jersey number 31. First personal foul. First foul. Substitution na. Papasok ang una para kay jersey number 10. Sulit din ito. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 41. Trying to the basket, losing the board. It's a short. Tapigan sa bola, it's a single. 16 seconds of the shot clock. Papasok yan. Pisa-pisa para jersey number 10. Castillo.
Turbo Gaming.
Jersey number 24 to jersey number 29. Low look pass. Ma-intercepted. Pass break opportunity. Ito na ngayon. Ating Piera. Good up big pass. It's a good ball. Jersey number 41. That's the ball. And there's the reason. Foul is committed by jersey number 13.